Okay guys, we're going to do more down the strip now. Going on, there's the shoe shop we had in the last one. Some great bars down here. Just pump it up a little bit. Yeah, you can see now. Charlie's bar over there. Got Rocky's this side. On himself. The crown of the road. Never changes. Goes on all year round. They're enjoying themselves. Over get caught. Hey mate, you want to say that again to my face? Oh, we got a load of twats in there now. So there we go. Sorry about a little bit there. Part of Benidorm. The Broadway there. He's on the side. There's Bob. Good bar. Good beer in there. Some of these have got good beer in, some you haven't. See the guy there, I will get copyrighted on this. Just up there on the old stilts. There we go, I'm catching up with Marcus there, he's just in front of me. That's my lad, he does YouTube too, that's Benidorm Crazy Marcus. Go and check his channel out. Oh, that's right. There we go. Zodiac show bar over that side. And Chaplin's a bit further down there. You can just see it there. They're the best bar in Benidorm at the moment. One of the new bars. The Railway. One that forgot to stop. There we go guys, they're going to pest you wherever you are down here. Right, brilliant. Like girls over there, I don't know what they're doing there. I'll leave that up to your imagination guys. There we go, look at this. Right on the bar guys. Get it full. The big place in the back there as well. I'm sure that'll be full. Right, we're just going to cross over, I'll show you the two Irish bars. Two good Irish bars there. YouTube, we're not trying to pitch anybody's music, we're just going along, filming the bars. There's Dublin House there. The big screen outside as well when the football and stuff's on. And you got the Shamrock there. Go for a bit, can you see better? There you go. That's a good bar, there's a good view, you can sit outside. And there's a big pub-like bar inside. Yeah, that's the Shamrock for you. What's the family now? I don't know where they've gone to. I'll go and find them in a minute. Watchtower Bar. Marina Hotel. Very all happening there, all the pool parties and stuff. It was quite funny the other day. They were having a pool party and the police got called. And police got there, told them to turn the music down. So yeah, that's quite funny. I thought that turned it off in the end. They wouldn't turn it down low enough. They're a bit early for Christmas, aren't they? Got the Christmas lights up already. The way you can do with somebody up behind you, let you know where the traffic is. And he's simply the best over there. Always back that bar. Daytime, evening time, always packed. There you got Planet Benidorm there. Big city. And there's another guy out with his camera, thinks he's good. Hi Marcus, how you doing?
Crazy Marcus.
Crazy Marcus.
Captain
Benidorm Crazy Marcus, let's get it right.
Yeah.
There he is guys, there he is. Show him the new haircut, Marcus.
Do I?
Oh, look at this. Look how cruel his mother was.
I'm looking at a twat.
He loves it really.
I do not.
What have you got to say for yourself, Sue?
I'm sorry, Marcus.
I think Sue got mixed up between inches and centimetres. But he said it's a lot cooler. Okay guys, I'm going to leave it there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.